Join Kids Storyland family. Once upon a time, in a beautiful forest, there stood a small, friendly tree named Willow. Willow was not like the other trees in the forest. While the other trees were tall and mighty, Willow was short and slender. Every day, animals from the forest would come to rest under the shade of the big trees. But Willow felt sad because no one ever stopped by to say hello or rest under its branches. Willow wanted to be helpful and make friends too. One sunny morning, a family of birds was flying by. They seemed tired, looking for a place to build their nest. Willow saw them and waved its branches, calling out, "Hello! You can build your nest in my branches if you'd like." The birds were surprised but happy. They fluttered down and chirped joyfully. "Oh, thank you, Willow. You're so kind." They built their nest among Willow's branches and made it their cozy home. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel.